That is Bingang Falls. That is a really difficult word to say, and as you can see, it's really difficult to get here, but this is a curtain waterfall. And it's tucked away here against the side of volcanoes, surrounded by beautiful green forest. This is definitely one of Camiguin's hidden gems. It is so beautiful. Ice cold! Woo! Oh! Oh! So this is a waterfall that's tucked away right on the side of volcanoes, way up in the mountains here at Camiguin Island, and it is an incredible place. This is a hidden gem. This is natural beauty, and this is cold. Woo! What a refreshing way to end an extreme trek. There you have it. That is a beautiful waterfall. I wasn't actually planning on filming today, but it was just, it's so gorgeous, so I just had to show you guys this. I'm gonna head back to Kumar's place. He's over there. We're gonna go back to his place in Camiguin, and maybe I'll just do a little life catch-up video for you guys. But this is Binang-Awan, I can't even say it, Binang-Awan Falls. Really tough to say. Beautiful waterfall in Camiguin. Incredible. Ahoy! I love that. Oh, he's good. That's how you do it. So if you roast a lechon, you always gotta have a teammate. You tag in and tag out. You do a shot, and then you spin. So nice one. That's what they're doing. Heights. Whew. Okay, so what is going on? Actually, I'm just chilling out in Camiguin. We've been here for a few days, haven't been filming anything, just been hanging out, seeing friends, having fun. If you didn't know already, Kumar's family, they live here in Camiguin in a barrio called Bailao, or barangay called Bailao. And basically right now, what's happening is I usually come here every April for Fiesta, but I missed it this year. So as a pasalubong, what I did is I bought them a lechon, a pig, except they wanted to make it themselves. That's what's going on. Right there. Bread! Tunlets. Tonlets. Let's. He just said tonlets. Tonlets is lechon, so tonlets. Tonlets? Tonlets. Grabby Filipino humor. So yeah, I'm just hanging out in this hammock. We're gonna have lechon in a bit. I was thinking about doing a little life update, but maybe I'll just chat later, and for now I'll just oh, it smells really good. It smells humut. The word in Bisaya for smelling good is humut, so I think I'll just stare at the lechon and maybe eat some lanzones. Bread, you got lanzone? Lanzone bread. Lanzone. Oh, just throw it, Isa.
Try.
Here we go, lanzone delivery in Camiguin. Sige, Isa. Yes! There we go, that's how it's done. So I got lanzones, I'm gonna eat some lanzone and just hang out, wait for lechon, chit chat. See you in a bit. Hey, some bread. Shot? Anya? Alright, so what's going down is I'm in the hammock and I got lanzones. This is a lanzone, if you didn't know. It's one of my favorite fruits and they're very, very famous in Camiguin. Let's open it up. See that? Ooh. Lanzone town. Mmm. Tamis. Good. I'm busy eating lanzones, bro. You work, Kumar. Oh, another one? Oh! I like this. I'm sitting in a durian getting thrown lanzones while the boys are cooking lechon. This is hilarious. With some grub. Chickens are running. Look at this one got left behind. Run! Oh, I absolutely love this. This is the barrio life. It's a lot more relaxed in the sense of community, and everyone's just doing something. Kids are running around looking for a game to play. They're cooking and finishing the lechon over here. Nice one, thank you. Oh, central. Oh, nice one. Yeah, it's guapo, well done. It's the real deal, man. Who made that one? Kinsa magluto? Kinsa luto? Brad, kinsa magluto?
Gatos na, Dem.
Duy. Alright, the food has begun. The nuguan. This is fresh, man.
All fresh.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's like, it's really warm. This is warmed nuguan with pig's blood.
Dinuguan. Sarap. Sarap.
Yeah, man, it's really manong. You know what? If I didn't know this was pig's blood and innards, again, really good. Again, if I don't think what it is awesome, or I think what it is, I'm like, oh my god. It's good.
Ikaw nagluto na, pre?
Barbara.
Pre, huwag kayo umingon ka. Bawa mo tayo.
Barbara.
Pre, hindi kayo, hibaw binisaya ba?
Cooking ba?
Nice,
Cooking.
good.
Kini siya uwili. Sprite, suka.
You put Sprite in there? Sprite in the
Yeah.
dinuguan? Oh, no way.
Small.
He cooked that with Sprite. He put Sprite in his dinuguan. That's why it's like tamis, no? Right.
Mirada.
Good. Pirada. Pirada kapo.
Sprite, 7-Up.
Good.
Bakit tayo sa binatay?
Nice, man. Oh, escabeche. Ooh. Nice one. We just started singing happy birthday because if there's a pig, you just sing happy birthday. It's not my birthday, we're just doing that. You go, no, I don't like to put out. I don't want to do it now. No, we don't sing. Well, I'm